YouTube, we back. Well, it's an exciting day. It's a very exciting day. We got Lily out here playing around with the leaves, the dead leaves. We gotta get them chicken fed. And our garden is growing pretty good. She over here picking up some fresh okra. Look at the garden. Let me see the okra, honey? They big too. Oh my God, we got some eggs today too? Mm-hmm. Look at that.
Got some fresh eggs.
Look at that. Oh, look at a banana tree coming up. I mean, not a banana tree, but a mango tree coming up. Right here.
Yep.
Catching real good. We gotta move him in a minute.
Cool.
The mango tree. Moringa tree right there. Filipino stuff. Potato leaf on the ground over there. Potato leaf.
Potato.
That's potato?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Look at that. Somebody let chicken out. Put that road up. They thirsty, man. They thirsty. You gotta roll that hose up and get them some water. Crazy, they're going crazy. All right, gotta put my tools up. Get ready to put this carpet in. What is here? Black and red, or should I paint that, the trim panel on the side, just the red? Get in the comment section, let me know. Let me know what you think about the sea. I just got the cat skins in, put them on. What y'all think about that? Huh? What y'all think about that? I need to paint that red. Because I painted this on the top red. See, that look nice. I don't know about that. The old lady said they look nice to break it up because it got red right here, black right here, red here, you know. And I gotta put the door switches in. I gotta rewire this right here. So, you know, I gotta put y'all on the stand. I'm gonna cut y'all off, cut y'all back on. You know how we do. So I gotta fix all this. I'm gonna try to do everything today. If I'm not in the mood, I probably won't just do a little bit, but you know, kind of want to put the seats in if I can take it around the block. You know what I mean? A nighttime cruise. All right, well let me set y'all up. I'm gonna cut y'all on, cut y'all back off, and I'm gonna put y'all back on once I start putting that carpet in. Here, though. Red carpet. Yep. I don't have that for a minute too, so I need to get that thing spread it out and put it in. And I need to put my tools up before I do anything. Look at that mess from the last job. All right, you two, let me cut y'all off, cut y'all back on. I gotta clean up. And I gotta put some stuff together, and then I'm gonna cut y'all back on. All right, you two, we back. Operation remove all the pieces out so I can start putting the carpet in the car. Get y'all with a better view. I had to lay the carpet out and get a little sun so it can form out a little bit more. We got this one in the pool over there. Play in the pool. Don't do that. I need to put some water back in my backyard, but my grass dying. I don't know if it's the chickens or is it dead because they ain't got no water. Let me set y'all up right here. See what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. basically, we gotta take everything back out of here before we can put the carpet down. And that's what it is. Pretty much gotta take up, either cut a hole in the carpet for the shifter. So center that shifter a little bit more. You alright? Don't drink that water, Lily. You alright? Don't do that. That girl drinking damn pool water. Shit. That girl's something else, man. I gotta get me a plastic door in my carpet right there, boy. My big feet, so you already know what it's gonna be. Order me some new bolts. I couldn't find the other bolts. I don't know what I did with them. Nappy dreadlocks. I need some seatbelts, man. Let's take this out. I need to put some speakers in before I do anything. Take the real deck out. Bring this wire down too. Ready? Cut some holes with some tweezers. I ain't in y'all way, is it? Let me see if I can get right there. Yeah, I gotta be in y'all way for a minute, so I'll be alright. I'm the captain of this shit. I'm the captain of this shit. What's wrong with you? I gotta use the vacuum cleaner. Be lighter for a minute. What are you doing? Wipe the floor down a little bit with a little bit of alcohol. So when I get ready to stick it, you can stick down. I got some adhesive spray. You spray down, so I can wipe it out. And that's where we at. If you don't wipe it good, get all that stuff off, it ain't gonna stick. Let's see. I missed the whole slot. Let's see. Get this shit out. Up, 1, 2. Get this shit up. My radio, man. Radio don't work. That was a good one, too. Don't work, man. I think my, when it was leaking that water in here, shorted my joint out, man. It don't work no more. Shorted my joint out. Let's see. I gotta put another screw up there. Probably gonna go see. I'm probably gonna put some AC in this joint, man. Cause it's too goddamn hot. Yeah. I'll put it on here and this and that $5 grand. Call it a day. 2,300. Then I gotta do all the work. I mean, I gotta put a dash, all that shit. Hell no. $5 grand. I pay somebody. And I just gotta rely on the quality of work. I reach out to somebody. If I don't like what they're talking about, guess what I do it myself. If I like what they're talking about, then I let them do it. Let me take the shifter on out. Get that on out the way. Why you let them chickens out, honey? Why you let the chickens out, honey? No, ma'am. Absolutely not. No, ma'am. Don't put that chicken in that pool, lady. Get that chicken out of the pool. Go. Get up. Go. 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 What's wrong with you? The chicken can't swim? The chicken cannot swim. Don't do that, lady. Hey. You gonna get a spank. Don't do that. Man, that girl tried to flip. She could swim in the pool with us. Oh, have mercy. The youth today. That girl tried to make it. She could swim with her. God bless her heart. Good morning, 11. Good morning, 11. That girl tried to make the chicken swim with her. Jesus Christ. That girl tried to make the chicken swim with her. So, 13 or something. slick with it too, but I didn't even see her get the chicken out. And I got the door open looking at it. Feel like a Blackfoot Indian, man. That's what my mom used to tell me when I got in something. I resecure all them wires and stuff once I'm done. There's a process for all this stuff, man. You gotta secure it just so you can dig around. Then you gotta unsecure it just to dig around some more. That's all. How much slipping? So it's gotta be standard. Top. Alright, I'm gonna cut y'all on, cut y'all back off as soon as I get that shit out. And, I got a problem chick on it. This girl tried to put a chicken in the goddamn pool. Get back in the pool. Get in the pool. I'll cut y'all back on. Give me a few minutes. Alright. Finna pour this carpet in and get everything set up. I just spray painted the seat belt things and stuff like that. Well, I guess when you see it, the carpet be black. Let me get in here. Do my brother. I'm not putting no spray yet because I need to put the carpet in first to see exactly how I need to lay it. One time for Apollo, when I used to do custom work with him, he showed me how to lay some carpet. You just preset it first, cut your holes, then you pretty much glue it down. If he had like a self-made carpet, but it's already prefab, you will spray and set at the same time because you can cut your edges off. You can't cut your edges off on this. This already, we bought this baby fit. So, let me work this out. Okay. trim it off. I don't want to take it off. I'm gonna have to cut it up over there. Yeah, ma. Yeah, ma. We're going. We're going. Yeah, ma. Yeah, ma. We're going. What are you calling for? What are you calling? I gotta find exactly where I need to cut that hole at. Oh man. Shoot. Let me get my knife. I'm gonna cut y'all back on. Woo. No, ma'am. Absolutely not. I don't think so. No, daddy. Well, that girl's something else. Told her the chicken can't swim. She trying to find out. She's trying to make sure the chicken don't swim. My friend, daddy. So right now, I'm just working the other side. I had a time working the other side. I had to find my knife. I forgot to record. I'm trying to get this thing done because my wife got to go to work, so I can't be out here all day making love to my boo thing. She's gonna get mad at me. We can't have that. I put that thing on too tight. Let's see what we got here. See what we got. Oh, too tightness. Oh, what tightness. Oh, yeah, we go. We don't want to do that. Oh, shit. We got that thick ass insulation. There we go. You won't never see this part anyway because that's where the chair is gonna be. And the center console is gonna be there. So, y'all won't see that part. This insulation is taking this part of There we go. Go, man, go. Once the heat get to that old girl, she'll be just fine. Get some heat. Heat, seats, she'll be just fine. Okay, here we go. Down here, down here, down here. This will get cuddled in there. I think I'm gonna do electronic emergency brakes. I like that manual stuff, but that stuff ain't always hitting on the ones and twos. And that's it for the day, pal. Shit, I'm done for the day. I'm gonna take a rest and try it again tomorrow. That's where we at. Alright. Carpet's in, I gotta do some adjustments on it. I gotta put the rear speakers in, put the rear deck back, put the seats in. I gotta do a lot of adjustments. Put the shifter in. That's about it though. That's about it on that. So we'll come back once the carpet's completely in. Ain't that right, Mom?
Sure.
What you think about the carpet? Think about the carpet?
Whoa.
I gotta adjust it. I gotta adjust it.
Looks great.
I gotta adjust it
You
some
need to
more.
put the thing right there.
I know, Mom. Don't worry. It's coming. We gotta get some sun because see all the wrinkles over there. Gotta get some sun.
The sun will straighten it up.
Yeah, I'm about to take the roll and roll it. A lot of work. I'm done for the day because you finna go to work, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we done for the day.
Yeah, we'll continue tomorrow.
All right, YouTube. That's it for the day.
Bye.
Hold on.
Adios.
Amigos.
Amigos, amigas.
Say it in your language.
Please subscribe and like and comment.
In Pasayan. In Pasayan.
Subscribe.
In Pasayan.
Hit up thumb.
Hasta. Sana all. Talaga?
Along.